Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to download a Facebook video, and this is actually very simple. At first head over to Facebook, and then whatever video that you want to download, let's say that I want to download this video. So I'll click on the three dots and then click on copy link. Okay, sounds good. As you can see, link to post copied to clipboard. I'll go to Google and search for Facebook video download, as you can see, and then click on the first link and then just paste the link and then click on download. As you can see, the download has already been started. Right over here you can choose whether normal quality or HD. Let's say we want it in normal quality, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.